Alright, here's a quick tutorial on how to add printers in Windows 10. So you're going to go down to the search bar down here, type in the word printers. Eventually, it might take a minute for it to populate, but eventually you want to see printers and scanners. If you don't see your printers and scanners currently on your computer here, you want to click on Add Printer or Scanner. Right now I'm not at work, so I'm not seeing the printers that are at work, but you'll see a list of printers here. If for some reason your printer is not here, you click on the word the printer wasn't listed, and you want to choose a second option or the third option. Actually, at work you'll see another option here that looks say select by directory because we're attached to a network. My computer at home is not. So there'll actually be a second option here that says select from a list, and then you click next, and then you'll see the traditional list that you're used to. So once you've added your printer in, you'll see you'll have an option to click install or add. It'll download the software and it'll be on your list, and then you can just close out, and that's all.